Had a good workout today. Power shake time. Well earned. Time to blend up my shake. This is what I'm putting in there. Strawberries. I put a little bar in there. 2 bananas, kiwi, water. This is my Herbalife 2-4. I use this only after I work out. A little bit of almond milk. It's my dinner. Had a good workout today, so power shake time. So I got them in there so far. I got the Ninja loaded up. That's the bananas, kiwi. I didn't get everything in there because I couldn't record and do this at the same time. But that's what we got: kiwi, protein bar, strawberries, a little bit of almond milk, and I'm gonna throw a scoop of peanut butter in there. This is what it looks like. Look at the time. Everything is with 11. What time is it? I think my angels are trying to talk to me. See the time? My shake. Put everything. Well earned.